supposed to like eat my way through that?
Ready? Hold on. Ready? Hold on.
And I think it is.
Hey guys, Gizmo here, and y'all are probably wondering where After Mitten is.
God, I just looked up. Look up.
So, yeah. So first off, Mitten doesn't know I'm doing this. Just a little thing for Mitten. Y'all will notice that this is a copy of the world. That this is not the updated version. It's just the copy I had from before, from when Mitten wasn't here. So, basically, I am on vacation and have this extra, ignore the cloning, have this extra copy of the world, and I'm showing my cousins around. They currently have no privileges.
Yeah. I think I can the right. Okay.
Is this a giant
I guess.
Oh my god. What is this thing?
First off, will you both come here and I can introduce you?
Hold on, I just found
Then I'll give y'all privileges. I'll give y'all privileges
Hello.
then. Esme, yeah, Esme, come here.
I can say hello in 2 languages. It's, well, 3 technically.
Hola.
Bonjour.
Morgan, no one wants to hear that.
Bonjour. You know what, Esme?
What?
You're right.
So, we have Esme and Frenchius Fry.
Ah, yes. Hola.
Okay, bye.
Yes. Now I will give y'all permissions.
Yay! I want to go into Mitten's house and eat my way through
I'm gonna
it.
eat your house, Mitten.
I can't. Oh.
Yes! Oh,
People,
dang it, this could take
ignore
some
the
time.
cloning.
How are you eating it?
You just tap on it.
And then,
Get out my way. I want to eat some cake.
you know, there's a lot more to paradise than just the cake inside of Mitten's house. You know, so I'd like to say, when we gave Mitten back the world and she found that, she was really mad at us.
Well, see, a house.
But she couldn't stop
That
laughing
sounds
either.
like paradise enough to me.
Well, thing is, well, you accidentally used a command and got rid of all her furniture by accident. So,
Who is we?
that would be
Fill command.
Gizmo. Gizmo and Dart would be that we.
Napoleon.
There's a unicorn.
Ignore
over
this.
Here.
This is the people, the pillar. I can't speak. Pillar of all the people that have joined.
Oh, I thought that was like somehow like relating because you know like war and then Napoleon Bonaparte. And
Oh.
I was like,
There's
that's
a unicorn, Morgan.
No.
There's a giant unicorn.
Oh, we have to add us to this. Now.
Oh, you're over there.
Let's go. Okay.
Where are you,
Wow,
Morgan?
Is that a cat? Okay, wait.
They don't care about their real names knowing on YouTube. No last names, so.
My last name is
Billy Bob Jr.
Von Schweet. Like that girl from Wreck-It Ralph. She's my cousin. Just so.
What is this
Yeah,
long?
come on, Morgan.
What is this long thing?
Oh, people, both of y'all, right now.
I'm here.
My name is Gizmo, okay? Don't call me my name. My name is Gizmo.
Okay.
Okay,
Gizmo.
fine, Giz.
Yeah, you can call me Giz. That works.
Okay, Gizmo.
Under construction. This looks done enough to me.
What is this giant pole?
That's a beacon.
It is the pole of happiness. Oh, this looks nice.
What's the thing that
Come,
Frenchie
Esme,
is-
come join us.
The white
I don't know
spot.
where you are.
You know what? There's something called teleport, so
I know.
teleport.
There's a subway to the other side of town.
Huh.
I don't know
Dang
how
it!
to
I
tell you
want to
this.
go see the subway.
Come join us.
I don't know how to tell you this, KZ, but there are no items here, so it's not very majestic.
No items, Casey. Wonderful.
I'm gonna touch them all.
KZ, you are sad.
Who's Casey?
That's Mitten's sister.
Mitten, I am sorry. You're
I'm standing on top of a blade. I'm gonna turn this light off.
Don't show her this.
This is my house. Ignore that it's barely
Where?
furnished.
Where's your
I was very lazy.
Oh,
But I've got Arrow, my little
Under
doggy.
construction, is there a barrier here?
And yet there's basically nothing in here. You don't need to be in here.
Ah, wow.
Okay, next.
I'm stuck
So
in here.
basically-
There's a barrier. I can't get out. Oh, I'll just fly over the top.
This is Paradise Boulevard.
Where are you? I don't know where you are.
Paradise Boulevard.
Right here.
Where? Oh.
So there's actually no sign names currently. This is the only street name I actually remember. And then this street, but that's over there.
There's
But-
Paradise Boulevard,
Paradise Boulevard.
Avenue, Paradise Circle, and Paradise Lane, and that's about it.
Nope, just Paradise Boulevard.
Oh, that's it. Just everywhere is pulled.
The mighty bank. I'm going to the bank, y'all.
I want to worship whatever that thing
There's
is.
actually better stuff. Let's see, who was this that did this?
What is that giant?
Oh, War.
That's why I'm worshiping it.
War did that.
Woody.
Oh yeah, we're also joined by my brother.
Oh.
Which I'm not in my.
He's not in the world. He's just somewhere out of the fourth wall.
Morgan.
Greenhouse. Stop.
The greenhouse.
This is actually a very nice greenhouse.
I'm
Thank
stepping
you.
on all your.
Okay, next. We're trying to make this quick.
I'm stepping
yeah.
on all your flowers.
That's pretty quick. Okay. Unicorn. Great. Whatever.
Back this way.
Oh, up the stairs.
It's a Mario, brother.
Oh, my eye itches.
It's basically all the pixel arts up this way. No need to see this. This is Reg and Bonnet's house. No need to see this.
Okay.
That's all the houses down there. Okay, now this way.
Do we need to see anything?
It'll be faster if I just fly. Okay, bridge. Nice bridge. Okay.
This bridge, this was actually the first thing that was built out into this area.
Wonderful. Very
Quality.
sentimental.
The marvelous cloning statues. Yep, Gizmo has not been messing with the cloning machine. That's totally not why she's in ISS.
Oh, we have to call you Gizmo.
What's ISS?
Her real name is Babu. We don't talk about this.
She's embarrassed.
Yeah, we don't question why my
I mean,
name's
if my name was Babu, I'd be embarrassed. I mean, not like my name's Babu.
Reindeer place.
Yes, this is the hide and seek map.
Oh,
Hide and seek,
Yo.
Matt.
I'm a god at hide and seek.
It's actually really fun to play. It's even better at night. Because then, when the seeker finds you, they kill you.
Oh.
That
Oh.
is the half-finished baseball stadium.
Wait.
Baseball, this isn't a baseball stadium. Oh, the half-finished baseball stadium's over on the other side.
Let's go see
Wait,
it.
let's go.
Hold on, we're not done over here yet.
Oh, no.
Football, soccer,
Sports cart.
badminton,
Wait, where you go?
Sports
basketball,
cart.
tennis.
What the-
Yay, we saw this all.
I'm at
Let's
the
go.
airport.
Airport.
Nice.
Okay, now we continue
Wait,
over.
where's the airport? I don't see
Dojo.
it. Hang on.
Some
Where am I?
horribly built hotel. I have got no idea who built that.
Where I don't know where I am. Oh, is this
Wait,
the
I just
hotel?
have to say,
Yeah, that.
it's not grieving if I add my own personal touch. See?
Go ahead.
Yeah.
Because, like I said before, this is a copy of the world.
What's griefing?
It's where you just mess with people.
Anyway, continuing on. Here's the Paradise Boardwalk.
Continue without me, I'll be there eventually.
Esme.
Um,
Just continue past the hotel.
okay, beautiful.
Paradise Boardwalk.
Wonderful.
Yep,
A roller
okay.
coaster, can I ride it?
Yes, go ahead.
That's
Oh, wait,
too
there's a
big. I don't
roller
feel like
coaster?
riding
I
it.
read it, it's actually really
It's really fun, yeah.
Okay, where do I start?
Down here.
I haven't been
at
on a
that
Minecraft
gate.
in a long time.
Welcome to. Why don't you go to the laser tag?
Me?
I've never played laser tag.
Somehow you activated the laser tag thing. Whatever.
Personal touch.
Just
Me?
click the button.
Is
Yeah.
it creeping? No.
The button
No,
is-
hold on. No, wrong way, wrong direction.
Oh, you already get crashed. Oh.
No!
It's going the wrong direction.
Help me, Robert!
Wait, teleport? Who?
I don't care, I'll just do this.
Dang it, you said my name.
I ran into
You said her name?
a pool. Dishonor upon your whole family.
I'm just gonna call you he
Get-
shall not be named.
Just call me anything but my name. Please.
Roberta.
I will cut that out of the video.
What up, Roberta?
What up?
Put some sort of loud beep
no, I
over my name. Actually, I don't think they know my name.
I think they do.
You can ride the roller coaster too if you want,
what is-
Morgan.
It's so
What was
slow on
behind
this
there?
part.
Oh,
There's a panda place.
what
Morgan.
happened? Oh, it's screwed.
darts.
I thought it was broken.
Yeah, just so you know, most of the shops that are here are gonna
Oh,
be
another
mostly
one.
darts.
Oh wait, is this where the roller coaster starts?
Mm-hmm.
This is crazy. I'm so confused.
It goes this direction, by the way.
Which direction?
I'm not even in
Yes.
a roller coaster anymore.
Okay, get in and I'll push you.
Okay. ride. Or
I'm not in a roller coaster anymore. It like kicks me off.
That's weird.
Okay.
Maybe because I just jumped off. I need a car.
Well, yeah, that would explain why you're... Oh, did I just fall? What? High quality.
I'll just start right here.
Look how nice. You know, one thing I really appreciate is when people just like, oh, what the? How is this working? Still. Anyway, it's just I really appreciate when people are just like, here, want to see a whole thing of the park? And I'm just like, yeah, because I'm too... Esme?
Yeah.
I don't know where I was going with that, so I'm just going to stop talking.
Anyway, continuing on now.
Did you think I was asleep or something?
I don't know.
Now, we head back over here.
Hey, that was my cart!
Well, you're no longer in it.
Now,
Bye, y'all.
Oh, yeah. Morgan, you're not being a good listener.
I'm sorry.
So,
all over here.
I'm lost.
Oh, well, Morgan left us.
Yeah, oops, I crashed.
Oh, well, she can join us back in later.
Oops, I'll crash too.
Wonderful circus over here.
Ooh, a circus?
No, like she literally crashed. Like her game crashed.
Where's the circus?
What did you think? I was just like, oh, bye.
I'm going to the circus.
You go to that circus.
Teleport.
circus. What do I
What is this?
You just, I was already at
I
the
teleported the clone somewhere. Where'd my clone go?
Oh, I
yeah.
saw it. It was by the tree.
I
thought it
haven't
was
been messing
you.
with the cloning machine.
thought
Nope,
it was
not
you.
at all.
Where's the cloning machine?
The copying machine, you mean?
Yeah.
There's a reason I was in ISS, because the school is totally not next door and I wasn't messing with
You
it.
got ISS. Wait, like in real life?
No.
Because the kids who get ISS, so they are a special type of person at my school.
Esme, come on.
Hold on, I'm going down the one at a time thing.
You know what's kind of funny? So, next to the school, there's a circus.
The
Yeah,
school
all
is
the
right
kids
there.
are a bunch of clowns. Oh!
Nice.
That was not nice.
Hey, Narnia's still...
Where is this?
Narnia is still intact.
Narnia?
Don't question
That was
this.
fun!
Are you messing with the cannon?
Yeah.
Anyway, continuing on, back to the other side of town.
I'm just like, yeah.
That was really fun. Morgan, you should totally try this cannon. It's amazing.
Cannon?
Yeah, it gives you a jump boost.
What? Weird kind of...
Flash.
I'm just busy over here looking at the pancake.
Pancake?
Next.
What?
Oh.
Bye, clone.
Bye.
Anyway, over here, if we go back down Paradise Boulevard,
What is this thing right here?
that's the clone.
I don't know what you are.
I don't know about you.
Next to the clone. Who's the real clone?
Who's the real? Probably the one that's...
The one without wings.
Oh, the one that just moved.
Yes. Follow me, but if we go
See the cloning machine.
back down here.
Is this where everyone died? Yo, this is a lot of people.
Actually, it's a lot of duplicates.
Should we be worried?
No.
Maybe next.
No, because Mitten's not here. It's Mitten who kills us all. Wait, what? I didn't say anything. Continuing
Wait,
on.
she killed us all, then why?
Gizmo.
Okay, she's not here.
Gizmo has died here from Mitten's wrath.
Wait, can I just like scream a random name and then say that's your name?
Yeah, sure.
Philip!
Yep.
Back here.
Why do you keep calling me boy names?
I don't know, I was gonna do Felicia, but then I was just like, Philip, because I was thinking about something
Our wonderful mascot, who people like to change the stupid nose. People stop changing the stupid nose.
Is it red? I didn't
No.
know it's supposed to be red.
Where's the mascot?
No, it's not supposed to be red.
Where's
What,
the
is it supposed to
mascot?
be black?
Where are
It's-
you? I'm lost.
It's supposed to be black, yes.
Help me.
Oh, okay.
I'm by
Oh.
the one-legged statue.
What? Teleport Esme to Gizmo. Okay.
Can I go?
The tree. I can't speak. The deer.
The deer?
The tree.
Oh, there's a Stitch face.
That was someone else's. The half-finished baseball field.
Wait,
The
wait,
jail.
wait.
The other houses. The zoo is down that way
Morgan, you
somewhere.
can put me in jail now.
Get in jail, wait.
Is it-
You don't even know how that
You
works.
should go. You know what? I'm just gonna stay in my comfort zone. And
I'm at the jail center.
Is this glass thing?
I'm going in jail.
The quick mode. Yes.
What do these little levers do? Put me in jail.
Easter eggs. I want some Easter eggs. Heck yeah.
Come, get in.
I'm in jail!
Huh?
I can't get out!
Sucks to suck.
Wait, what? She's actually in jail?
Yeah, I'm working to...
Where is she?
I don't know where.
Well, good luck getting out.
No! Morgan, help me!
Okay, Morgan. Let's go finish our tour.
No! Let me out!
Where are you?
Can I at least go in the upstairs cell?
Nope.
I'm gonna go in the lighthouse.
Oh, you're over at the lighthouse?
Looks swanky. Well, yeah, that's I don't know where else to go.
I see the base.
Newer videos. This is actually no longer like this. There's an actual bridge here, not just a floating platform. And this area looks so much better.
Oh, wow, lighthouse 10 out of 10 would recommend. I like saying 10.
This is awful.
Esme, look.
Yeah.
Stop being such a Debbie Downer just because you're always stuck in jail.
What the heck?
Look, that sounds like a you problem, and I think you really
Yes!
I think you really need to just like stop bringing others down because you are just not.
You need to be quiet.
Okay,
I'm
now,
gonna tell you this.
if you come back down this way, because if you fly off the lighthouse,
I just broke my legs.
or just fall, you see a giant cake
I'm
over
back
here.
again, but just know.
Shut it, French.
What are we, British?
Yeah.
Wee.
Fine.
I don't know how to say. I forgot
I'll
how to
let
say
you
cousin
out.
in French 'cause I'm taking.
Yay! I'm coming to be freed. Yay! What? She stuck me in the ocean. You're gonna die now. Am I on visitor now?
And of course I get teleported high into the sky. That was Dart's house, anyway.
I'm lost.
Wait, you got teleported high in this?
Yeah, his teleported
Another
high.
roller coaster.
Yeah, you can ignore that. Theater, half-finished baseball field, zoo somewhere over there.
Temple.
Okay, this tour is done.
A
Hey,
bouncy house?
you're-
Is this a bouncy house?
There's no bouncy house.
It's a basket of something.
So I'd like to say right now, once again, this is unfinished. This is not the
I'm stuck in
updated
a
version
hole.
of the stupid world.
Oh, I'm fine now.
Oh my gosh.
A giant cake! Morgan, I found a giant cake.
Yo.
Now, when Morgan comes back into the world,
Look, I'm trying here.
we will finish this video and do the outro.
What's an outro?
Have you ever watched a YouTube video, Esme?
No.
Really? Wait, you've never seen a video on YouTube?
Well, I've seen like music videos, if that counts.
I've watched memes.
Let's finish on the
Watched more than
cake.
I'm
that.
not allowed to watch YouTube.
Oh, wow.
I'm just gonna scream a bunch of
Everyone come join me on the cake.
and I.
Even the clone.
Where's the cake? I'm by the unicorn and the tree.
No, I was climbing the lighthouse.
Oh,
You mean?
oh, hello, clone.
What's
Hey,
that?
Oh my God, it
Die?
lives. It
There's
lives.
2 clones.
They live. Why are they do that?
Is someone gonna tell me what an outro is?
You're
It's where they say
about to find out.
adios, mia, mia,
Yeah, it's basically saying bye.
Adios, amigos.
Oh,
Esme,
right
come here.
there.
Esme, come here.
Why?
Just come here.
I don't know where I am. I'm in the Skies Theater.
You're blocking the clone, Morgan.
You know what, clone?
You're supposed to stand behind me.
I'm going up to the VIP seats.
Esme, come here, otherwise you're not going to be at the end of the video.
That's fine.
She's like, I don't care.
What is this supposed to be? There's nothing in this video.
What is that?
This is
up there?
trash.
Yeah, that was kind of the point.
Yeah, this
Teleport
is
me to
trash.
you.
What the heck?
It was just fun. Teleport.
This movie is trash.
Anyway,
Just a little weird. How?
so yeah.
It's called a theater.
Man has no idea I'm doing this. I'll upload this when I get back from vacation. Hopefully it will be done before we reach 100.
Vacation like this
Hopefully this was one of the
relaxing
episodes
thing.
before 100.
I'm going down to the cave.
Merry Christmas! Okay, and have a good night. Bye.
That